So here we have the XYZ 660 HD vertical machining center, which is available from stock here as an X demonstration model. Now this particular machine, the HD range, went through a facelift about 2 years ago, and in fact this 660 version replaced what was the mini mill. They just made the envelope a little bit bigger, and the viewing area within the machine, as you'll see, it's great from an operator's perspective, being able to see what's happening inside the machine. But the envelope's a bit bigger as well. You've got just over 450 millimeters in the Y-axis and 660 in the X. But this X demonstration model here has the Siemens touchscreen control. This is the 828, and it has shop mill on it as well. If you haven't used shop mill, it's a great piece of software to help you program parts very, very quickly. Now you might be using this machine to cut harder materials because the HD stands for heavy duty. It's a box guideway machine throughout. Let's just get a quick look around the side. You'll be able to feel or get a feel for the size and the footprint of the machine here. A 10,000 RPM spindle on this machine as well, so it is capable of machining faster as well, maybe on lighter materials. Available X stock as an X demonstration machine from XYZ Machine Tools. Contact them via their website xyzmachinetools.com.